How to generate QR code for an Instagram account. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily generate a QR code in an Instagram account. So the first thing you want to do here is open up your Instagram application. And once you have it open, just head over to your profile section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you land on your profile page, you basically have to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your post or your profile. Now once you tap on it, you basically have to go to the search bar and search for QR code. If you just search for QR, if you are not able to find it, what you have to do next is, before the recent update, Instagram had this QR code feature. So if you had tapped on the three dots at the top right, you'll get a pop-up and you'll have the QR option over there. But currently it does not have that. So what you can do is tap on share profile and you can directly find your QR option over here. So if you just tap on it, you can change the color of your QR code, and then you can directly copy the link or download the QR code. Alright, so if you want to change the color, go to emoji, add a selfie. It's completely up to you. So if I just tap on color part, you can just tap on the background to change different colors. You could also customize it with different emojis. So if you tap on it, you can select any emoji you want. Let's say if I want this emoji right here, I can tap on it. Then you also have a selfie part where you're able to take a picture. And then you can change glasses, add other stuff. Then you'll have your default image here. So if you just tap on download, you'll get this save image, or you can download as PDF. You can also choose to include the background, and that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you in the next one.